Hello friends, today we will learn how to take the overview of our Facebook page or our Meta Business Suite account dashboard and take a look at its features. Because in the last class we learned how to create and set up our Meta Business Suite account. So now we will tell you about some of its features and important details, because this is now our actual phase where we will be going to teach you about Meta ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads practically. And the fundamental base of that is this only. If you don't have a Meta Business Suite account, you can't do anything. And I hope that you must have created an account. Now, in this course, we will be going to teach and explain everything one by one with the upcoming videos. And with that, you will proceed to learn about ads properly from scratch. Here, as you can see, in business.facebook.com, we have our Meta Business Suite account. Because I created it through my new Facebook page. That's why this MF Digital Agency is showing up here. So friends, as you can observe here, earlier we used to have our Creator Studio options here for everything, whether it's organic or paid. Everything is available in our Meta Business Suite and we can operate everything from one place. That's the biggest advantage. Here, if we need to create a post, we can do that from here too, or if we need to create an ad or a reel or create a story as well. Besides that, if you have to go live or upload reels in bulk and videos in bulk, we can do that. And it has to-do list as well, through which we can create a planner for us as well. If we have to plan post or schedule anything, we can do it from here. We can create a scheduler and a calendar to help streamline our workflow and make our work more efficient. Friends, here you can manage your audience, although my page is new and I don't have many followers. But you can invite people here and also contact your audience and connect with your existing network. So here's another thing that I want to mention. If you have connected your Facebook page with your Instagram account, which I have already taught and explained to you in the previous videos as well, make sure you do this. Only then you can run ads on Facebook and Instagram simultaneously. Here it shows both accounts. If my Instagram link wasn't there, it would say link your Instagram account. And now here, whatever content we post or plan or put any stories and everything, we will see our content here. Our recent site which we are running will be shown here. So friends, here at this point, as you can see, there is an option for notifications. It means we can check and see all kinds of alerts and notifications here at this place, be it from Facebook or Instagram. Okay. In addition to that, this is our inbox where we will receive messages from all our sources. Be it through Messenger, Instagram, Facebook comments and Instagram comments, all of them will be in one place. So we can easily manage and handle things and respond to audiences here. Okay, so we can do all these things easily here in the inbox. Now here is the option for content. Okay, the posts and reels that we put in the content option will appear here. You can see the stories here. You can schedule them, manage drafts and expired items. Everything can be managed. Here is an option of A/B test. If you click here, you can test your content and see which one is performing better. So this can be done from here, and this way you can plan, strategize and develop content. For now, I am just providing a brief overview of this Meta Business Suite. But there are many sections and features inside this, and we will have detailed videos on them to understand. We won't be able to teach you properly until you learn those. You can create feed, grade, mention, tags, clips, Facebook photos and playlists. Okay, so you can do all these things here. Now friends, apart from that, we have the planner here. Through the planner, as I said, you can manage your entire calendar, your social media, your ads, everything. You can plan it. Now let's come to the ads. Now, when we refer to the ads, I will explain this separately to you, but not now. Because right now I am giving you an overview, because once we get to ads, then we will teach you how to create an ad manager and ad account. Then element manager and many things that you'll learn later. I'll go into detail about ads later. Now here, this insight features that you are seeing simply means that whatever data that we have about our page and our ads and everything related to them, we can view them exclusively and analyze the data here. If I click on the all tools option here, all of these features will appear here for us, along with many other features like engaging your audience, content, inbox, lead center. We have live dashboard page, post planner, sound collection. Similarly, an option for advertising in all tools, ad limits per page and ads. and we will teach you creating an ad manager account in the upcoming videos. And we have apps, audience, automated rules, creative hub, event manager, and it's like ad manager and ad accounts. You will be going to learn that how to create ads, manage events, and use instant forms in this practical course. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any videos to learn about Meta ads and Facebook ads. Here is a separate section for analytics report, where you create reports about the work you have completed, which are then shared with senior team members, management, and clients. You can do that here and also experiment with things here. You can test insights, Meta brand collaborations, any collaborations or paid collaborations, traffic analysis report. Also, there are other features like sell products and services for creating catalogs, shopping, and so on. So you can create a shop on Instagram and Facebook through the options of commerce and monetization. If you already created and linked it in your account, so you can use and utilize these features, okay? And with these, you can also take direct payments. You will also find videos on this for sure. This is an overview, so don't be confused. Just take it as an overview. We are explaining these things at a basic level, correct? We will teach you that in the upcoming videos. The most important thing is manage billing payments, right? Brand safety, and it's about the things you need to care of, and business apps. Collaboration center, file manager, page settings, store locations, and all these things can be managed here, and also much more things can be managed by us through this Meta Business Suite. Okay friends, so this is the Meta Business Suite, and it is very important to understand it properly. Without it, you just cannot manage Facebook and Instagram ads. And your organic part, like for example your Facebook page or your Instagram account, and you can manage all the content from here and also schedule your content with more perfection, okay? And the best thing about it is that you can add accounts here and run ads for multiple accounts and manage them from one place. You can also give them access or take away access. I hope you have understood it and have created your Meta Business Suite account after watching the previous video and have got the overview. In the future, we will be bringing you many practical videos for you all to learn it properly. Friends, in these videos, we will teach you how to create ads and related stuff. I hope today's video was informative for you. Thank you.